welcome back to my channel. So for all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhin, and today, as you can see from the video's title, we are going to create an everyday makeup look. Now it has the least possible products and the least possible techniques to make it out simple for you guys, because you guys are beginners. So yeah, for this makeup tutorial we are going to use a couple of products. I am just going to run through all the products right now so that in the tutorial we do not have to stop in between and tell you about the products. So yeah, the first product that we'll be using is a Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, and I have been using this for a while now, and this absolutely suits my skin and it really works out well for me, so I use the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. The next thing that I'll be using on my face is a pancake. Now I have used it for a while now and the name has gotten rubbed off, but it is in the shade Soft Peach number 113. So yeah, this is the pancake that I'll be using on my face. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. It is in the shade Cream Beige number 325. The next thing that is on the list is this eyeshadow palette by the Color Workshop. Now for blush on, I'll be using this blush on palette by I don't know which company and which palette, but this is basically all the neutral shades of blush on. So yeah, it is a neutral palette. You can use any blush ons, any of these products. Like, these are just the products that I have been using for a while and I find that they really fit the face of all skin types. But makeup products, completely your choice, whatever you want to use. Now the next thing that I'll be using on my eyes is this Colorescence extra lash mascara with extra volume, and also it's waterproof, so it works out like perfectly well for me. Also, this is smudge proof. I have a habit of ruining my mascara like this, so this one works out pretty well for me. The next thing that I'll be using is this Kajal eyeliner pencil by Blue Heaven. I usually use Maybelline, but this time I wanted to switch up a little bit, so I used Blue Heaven and this works out pretty fine. The next thing that is on the list is the lipstick. It is a Lakme 925 edition in the shade Almond Saturday MB7. And the last thing on the products is this lip gloss by Revlon. It is in the shade Super Lustrous Super Natural in the number 215. So this is the gloss that I have been using for a while now. So yeah, these were all the products that I will be using in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this informative, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
First things first, we start off by tying off our hair so that they do not disturb us while we are doing our makeup. Starting off with the makeup, we start by applying the moisturizer. This helps us to avoid all the dryness and prevents our makeup from the patches that appear on a long day. Now I apply it generously all throughout my face and also on my neck, and all that's left I just put it out on my hands. Now the next thing that we are going to apply is the pancake. I don't like to use a lot of foundation, concealers or compacts on a daily basis, because at the end of the day it's not very healthy for our skin, and I don't really like to wear a heavy makeup on a daily basis. I like my skin to breathe, and that is why I don't use any of the high density foundations or anything like that. I apply more than the usual amount of this product over and under my eyes, on my jawline, upper lips, lower lips, and hairline, nose tips, etc., only because these are the portions that are a shade darker than my usual skin tone, so I like to equalize my complexion and also highlight these certain areas of my face. Now I do apply some product on the neck as well, because when somebody looks from the front it shouldn't look very different from the face. That is why I do put out some of the product on my neck as well, so that everything looks equal and it looks natural in the very basic way. To start off with the eye, in the first layer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Compact because it completely matches my skin tone and it gives a very natural shade to my eyes. This is the exact color that I wanted for my eyeshadow but couldn't find it in any of the palettes. So that is why I use this compact. Also, it's very light on the skin, so it helps me breathe. It helps my skin breathe. So yeah, that is that. And when I start applying my shadow, I start off by applying it on my crease line and then I fill on my eyelids. After that, I use the same product to fill out the rest of the area under my brow. Now I use a little less product over there because I want that slight tone difference between the two areas, but it shouldn't be a very noticeable one because that makes your eyes a very natural, it gives your eyes a really natural shade. And naturally it's what naturally happens. And then I also apply a little bit of the product under my eye because when you look in the mirror without any makeup, you will notice that your upper eye and lower eye shade is the same. So I do apply a little bit of the product on my lower eye as well so that it looks complete. For the second layer, I'm using a similar shade of the brown blush. I use a double shade to make it look natural and edgy at the same time. I have wanted to look that, yeah, I have put in some effort for getting ready, but then again, I don't want to completely go overboard with makeup. So that is why I'm using all the shades in brown only because that really helps out. I use it only till the crease and on my eyelids and not over the rest of the area that is under my eye. Now when I have to finish off my eyes and give it a good finish, I use my brown shadow from my eyeshadow palette and only do my crease lines over there. For the next step, I'm going to use my Kajal liner pencil and apply it on the upper and the lower waterline of my eyes. I'm using it in the color black. I personally prefer the colors black and white, but you can feel free to experiment with whatever colors you want. To finish off my eyes, I'm using my mascara and I'm applying a good amount of it over my upper and lower lashes. I'm not going to do any liner as I feel that my eyes are complete with the kajal and mascara, but if you feel otherwise, feel free to use a black or a brown liner. I would say you prefer a gel liner over a liquid because they're smudge proof, waterproof, and also they last you longer. Now I am not going to do much on my brows as well because they are already full, as you can see. But if you have to do something, you can use a black or brown brow color or gel liner or eyeshadow to make your own brows. With the eyes being all said and done, we move on to complete the face with a blush on and a packing powder or a compact as you know it. I prefer to use the same combinations as I did on my eyes so that my face doesn't look very different from my eye. So I start off with the same Maybelline compact as the first layer as I did on my eyes. I make a pout so that I know exactly where to apply the product and how much of a product that I need to enhance and highlight my features. Then I go on to do my hairline, my nose tip, my jawline and my neck. I repeat the same procedure with the same brown blush on that I had used on my eyes as the second layer, and I repeat the exactly same step. Now that everything is done, all you need is a lipstick to complete your entire look. I am using a brown shade as the natural color of my lips is also brown, and this shade gives me the most natural look possible. You can use a shade of pink, peach, orange or red as per the shade of your lips. I also haven't lip lined them because they just overshadow the entire natural look according to me. So yeah, that's the reason. After this, you can see that the lipstick is barely visible. So I go on to complete my look with a gloss. If you are more of a matte person, feel free to skip the gloss. Now that you're all set with your makeup in place, go open your hair, style them up and flaunt it the way you want. Go and capture the world, girl.
With this, we come to an end to today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed and have found this tutorial helpful. If you guys do recreate these looks, do not forget to use the hashtag makeup by Tuhin. I would really love to see all your recreations of this look. Now, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post another update. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because there are a couple of activities happening over there and I would really love to see you guys be more involved in my life. And with this, I guess that's all I have to say. I do hope you guys like this tutorial. I will meet you guys again on the next Saturday. So see you soon guys. Bye.